The key things before deciding on your surgeon or your surgery that you need to do your research on is safety. Safety is paramount. There are many good surgeons around the world, not only in Australia, and we were very honest about it, and lots of patients go overseas to get their surgery. There's often nothing wrong necessarily with the surgeon themselves or the surgery, but often problems can arise in the post-operative period. And this is one thing that patients often don't understand, that it's super important to have a team that's going to be looking after you from the very beginning until the end. And that end doesn't finish at 2 weeks post-surgery. That end may be 6 weeks, 1 year, 3 years, 10 years after surgery. So it's a long process in terms of keeping an eye on how things are progressing, making sure that you are on hand to deal with any problems. So when I say safety, I really think about that whole experience and making sure that you're satisfied, first of all, that you've got a surgeon who is experienced, who knows what they're talking about, who's got appropriate qualifications, and you have a trusting relationship with, of course, as well. They've got a team around them that is on hand to help troubleshoot through any admin or clinical problems, and that they will stick around, that they will not do a runner on you afterwards once they've taken your money and everything is done, because we do see a lot of those cases where we're having to fix up other people's problems, other surgeons' problems, and because they refuse to deal with them. Why? Because maybe the problems are too difficult for them, maybe they're not sure what they've done, maybe it's just their practice motto, I don't know. That's certainly not the way we do things here. If we are looking after you, we are looking after you all the way through. And that includes any problems that may arise. We have to always stress, and I talk a little bit too much about this sometimes, but I think it's important that people understand that surgery is not a problem-free, always situation, that things can go wrong, and it's so important that you have a trust in your practitioner, that they know what they're doing and they will look after you.